Hello Libra, welcome to my channel. This is your reading for next 48 hours. We will see your person's energy towards you and what can you expect. Okay, so let's begin. This is for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and North Node. Libra's person's energy towards Libra Spirit, June 13th to June 14th. Libra's person's energy towards Libra Spirit. This person's energy towards Libra Spirit. Three of Cups. A lot of communication, Libra. I feel you guys are going out. If not, then you guys are together, and this is a reunion card for me. If you are in separation with your person, then your person wants to talk to you and your person wants to go out with you for dinner or date or movie. But what I'm getting from here is, if you guys are in separation, there is a chance that this person will communicate with you, or this person want to communicate with you. I'm also getting that your person can travel towards you. There is a chance that your person will communicate with you and will travel towards you to meet you. Someone is very disappointed here. Libra, this person feels you don't trust them. It could be a third party situation for some of you, and there was not balance in this relationship, and Libra seek balance. So you wanted things to be mutual, be it love or anything, but your person feels that you don't trust them. It could be related to commitment, and yes, you love this person, Libra. You see this person as your lover. For some of you, I'm getting your person could be married to someone else, or your person chose someone else. But what I'm getting from here is, your person feels that you don't trust them, and when it comes to commitment, and you love them though. Your person knows you love them, even if you don't, but I feel you do because you're watching this reading. What do you think about Libra Spirit? The person sees you as someone who loves them, but when it comes to commitment, you want to take your time. You cannot take a risk with this person, and your person thinks that you are acting very detached and cold towards them, and your person is confused about that. Why is Libra acting that way? And I feel you are in your power, you are not up for games, and this is very confusing for this person how to approach you. That's what they think about you. And this person feels that you are getting a lot of attention from people. This person likes you, and I feel this person likes your breast as well. If you are a feminine watching this, if you are a male, your person likes your chest area, or just your person likes to see you naked, period. That's what I'm getting here. I'm also getting that they admire you a lot. Your person admire you a lot, and someone is very hurt here. Yes, it could be a third party situation for some of you. Your person could be a player, or someone has kept their options open. Your person is overthinking, and your person is at the crossroads. What are the feelings for Libra Spirit? If this is a third party situation, your person wants to keep you as a third party, and your person has that passion for you. Your person see you as someone who is very attractive, who can have anyone, and who is getting a lot of attention, who is stubborn as well, like you are hard to budge, and your person feels that you go after what you want. Maybe in the past, your person see you as someone your person saw you as someone who is a perfect match to them, but now your person wants to have a forward movement in this relationship. If these things are stuck between you guys, this person wants a forward movement. I'm also getting at the same time this person wants to take things slow. So maybe this person wants you to take action towards them, and this person is waiting for you. This person is waiting for your attention. This person likes your attention. The intentions towards Libra Spirit. If they were holding back from you, or if they were holding back a communication, this person wants to reach out to you, Libra, and F you. That's what I'm getting here. This is about passion. This person feels that passion for you, but this person is resisting himself. I'm also getting this person intends to stop himself from reaching out to you. And if this person has walked away from you in the past because of some woman in his life, or it could be his mother or his wife, girlfriend, anyone, or for any other reason, this person wants to come back towards you, Libra. But this person could be a player, you could be dealing with a Sag, and I'm getting this person has cheated on you. And for some of you, I'm getting, if not an actual cheating, your person has hidden few things from you. Maybe this person did not confess to you that this person is in love with you. I'm getting that this person is very disappointed about that. This person is disappointed that this person is missing the old days. I'm also getting this person wants to reconcile with you, Libra, but someone could be very harsh here, like someone who just likes to, someone like they work is their priority, and someone who could be very harsh when they talk. This person is going to stalk you, Libra, and if you are wishing for this person will come back towards you, I feel. Yes, 10 of Pentacles at the bottom, as I said. This person will stalk you. This person will fulfill your wish. If you are wishing for this person will reach out to you, I feel, and you are happy. That's what I'm seeing here. This person will make you happy. At the same time, this person is going to hide something from you. 6 of Cups, that they feel that soulmate connection with you. This person will come back towards you, I feel, Libra, but this person is going to hide something. Let's clarify, what will they hide? What is this Seven of Swords spirit? Maybe if this was very in and out between you guys, I'm getting you guys, this person will reach out to you and then this person will leave again. Yes, this person will take action towards you. You are gonna be very happy, and then suddenly this person will pull back and will act very defensive, will act very sneaky, and again, no action when it comes to cooperation. This person will not cooperate with you. That's what I'm getting here. You could have met this person at a workplace, or you might have gone to a school or college with this person, but clarify these cards. Don't be afraid to fall in love again. They are afraid. Wow. Yes, I feel when it comes to confession, this person is afraid. If you are gonna ask questions about their past or what has happened, if you are going to confront this person, Libra, this person is afraid, and the spirit is asking you, don't be afraid to fall in love again. Maybe you will ask for something stable, you will ask for something real, and this person is gonna leave again. Something like that. Let me see the outcome. You will manifest new things, Libra. You are gonna manifest this relationship, but there is a lot of confusion. Love is there in this situation, I feel, but this person is confused, or either you are confused, Libra. I am also getting someone likes to fantasize about the other person here, or you are just fantasizing about it and you manifested it finally. Like, this situation is on your mind from so long. If you guys are in separation, then and you are manifesting it now. If this was a game of ego, if you were feeling very, very alone, this situation is going to change and this person will reach out to you, Libra. Yes, so healing is coming towards you. What is 7 of Cups? You are gonna feel trapped, Libra, and this is destined to happen. You're gonna feel trapped, you're gonna feel very confused, and you're gonna feel very restless. But I'm getting that you will feel that you cannot do something regarding this situation. If this person is gonna leave, you are gonna get angry on a situation that why every time this is happening, because I feel this could be very in and out between you guys, and this person could have that tendency to hide stuff from you. I'm also getting this person is very defensive when it comes to when you confront this person. Resolving conflict. Okay, so this person will come back to you to resolve conflict. If you want to fix things, Libra, try to shut your mouth and don't confront this person. Don't argue with them unnecessarily. If you feel angry, and I completely agree that we all feel that way at some point, but the thing is, this person needs love, Libra, and the spirit is asking you, embrace this person. Don't confront him for now, at least, because he will sneak away. He is not in a condition to give you your answers, I feel. So this person needs love, and forgive yourself, forgive this person, just be in love with this person. That's what I'm getting here. Freedom. Let the unicorn set you free. You need to free your mind, Libra. You are stuck, I feel, and this person is stuck as well. I feel that your relationship is very stagnant at this point, but you need to be free of this energy and just feel light and just be yourself. Let's get 2 love messages from your person. I want your attention. I want to come back, but I have to swallow my pride for taking that first step towards you. And I feel this person is going to come back to you now, Libra, because we had 5 of Swords, and I feel this is a current energy, but in the near future, this person will come back towards you. It's over. What is over? I miss you. You are dangerous. So something has ended in this person's life, Libra, and if it was a third party situation, I feel this person is having conflict in that relationship as well. Or if there was some issue, like the main issue why you guys had this argument or you guys get separated, I think that issue is over now. But this person, it's their pride, like they are not reaching out to you. I feel this person will reach out to you, Libra, now. If not, then the spirit is asking you to reach out to this person. Like this woman is, let's see, reach out to your person if you don't get a text from your person in next 2 days, and try to resolve the conflict. This person needs love, I feel. This person is feeling alone at this point, I believe. Okay, so this was your reading, Libra. I really hope it helped you. Thank you so much for watching, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye and take care.